That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Watch this.
Wow.
Why did you film that?
Didn't you just say?
She's trying. What are you doing?
I can't move. I am petrified.
Why are you on the ground?
I told you I wanted to start.
Crouching like an old slave. I told you so. This girl. This is our song. Skate with me. Come on, I'll hold your hand.
No.
Don't grab on me then if you don't want me to hold your hand.
What am I supposed to do?
Stand up and walk.
No, this is not.
You can stay like that if you want. Come here.
I wonder. You know what? I'm petrified.
Take a picture of you?
Not like this.
Come on, when was the last time you were on roller skates?
I've never been before.
You've never roller skated before?
No.
Oh, you gotta take a picture.
I'm
How about you kneel down next to her so it looks like you're just
I got some time to get a lot of stuff done that I needed to get done, and a lot of people count on me to get this stuff done and pull it off. So, having said that, cheers. Alright guys, later.
What are you going for now? You got one more. She got close. Look at the bottom right, bottom left. Oh, we got. Oh, are you looking
for like the star or one of the stars?
Now take this hand, overwrap it, finger down, thumb back here. Arms straight out. Drop your right foot back. Okay? Keep that about eye height. Then bring the right dot back between these two right dots. On the trigger, nice and lightly, just squeeze right on through. Okay? Go ahead. Put your thumb, there you go. Keep it nice and level. Go ahead, nice and easy, squeeze it right on through. How'd you like that? Go ahead. Nice and lightly, just squeeze. Where are you aiming for? The 5X or the 5? Just squeeze it nice and lightly. Thumb back here. Nice and easy.
Yeah, basically, say like the Glock. It'd be the top 7 shots for $9. And that's the residual value of bullets. Yeah, are you required I'd recommend that. It's going to be almost complete opposite of the Glock.
Try to go nice and easy. You're jerking the gun when you jerk the trigger, okay? Just squeeze it nice and lightly.
So I'd recommend that.
Go. Try to use less finger. Bring that finger out.
Drop off some bags, maybe? Coming up. Looks like it's close. Are you looking to buy something? Is your AKC cracked? Not one.
You like that?
Got hit in the head with the shot. Comfortable?
You'll have that from time to time. Okay.
Squeeze on it.
That's not normal.
I will prove that I can fly. I'm going to turn into a Super Saiyan. I'm going to see me take off. And just so you know, this is my music playing in the background. It's called Let's Shop. Ah!